it's going to be a pumpkin carving contest to the death.
No. Just, we're carving pumpkins and we're going to have fun together because we're sisters and we love each other.
And this is going to be fun. You'll help me clean up, right? Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Alice.
I'm Jenny.
And welcome to another episode of the
Alice and Jenny Show!
It's 2 in the morning. We gotta be quiet because Kira's sleeping, and so is everybody else who's sane in the membrane. But we're not. Because it's 2 a.m. and we're filming.
Dripping on the carpet.
Okay, so some of you might be wondering why we gathered you here. The very few of you that didn't read the title or look at the thumbnail, we are, it's October, so this is going to come as a huge surprise. We are carving pumpkins! Oh! This is very heavy.
We also have our makeup on from our last video.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and go watch that other video. Thank you very much. Can we just take a minute? Should we take a minute? Can we take a minute? Should we? Can we?
How many minutes? So this is to say that you don't like my pumpkin.
So let's all comment below. When you think of October, of fall, of pumpkin spice, of jack-o'-lanterns, of just carving your pumpkins with your fucking mom and dad on the kitchen floor and getting all the guts all over the place, and it's such a great memory, right? You think of a pumpkin like this. This is quite possibly the perfect pumpkin, the most perfect pumpkin ever, right? What you
She
don't
didn't mean that. She didn't.
What you definitely don't think of when you think of, hey, I want to carve a pumpkin, is this. This is what you don't think of. This. What is that?
What? What is what? What does the bottom of yours look like?
It doesn't have some weird, it goes in like a regular hole.
Okay, what's that?
It doesn't have an outie.
What does it have?
He
Two
has an outie.
So he has 2 holes, huh? That's great.
That's where God injected him with love. Let's all place bets because, Jenny doesn't know this, but this video is going to be titled, Jenny Tries to Carve a Non-Pumpkin.
Okay, so
This isn't a pumpkin. That's not a pumpkin. That's not a pumpkin. That's a squash.
I feel like Alice has literally yammered. She's been going on and on about this fucking thing. I saw this thing in Ralph's and I was like, I have to carve this. Because it's gorgeous and it's beautiful.
This isn't a pumpkin. What is that? That's is it a gourd?
Maybe it's a gourd.
Oh my gourd!
She couldn't even pick out this.
Okay, yeah,
she
no,
had it delivered. There's no love. There was no connection.
Speaking of getting a perfectly orange round pumpkin delivered, I'd like to thank the company that I would like to sponsor me, Instacart. I got this delivered from Instacart. Instacart, please reach out to me if you would like to sponsor a video. I'm a big fan. For real though. My Instacart person, I think her name was Rachel. She was actually so sweet. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna have my Instacart person get me a pumpkin. This is so weird because I didn't have time to like go and get it. And
I said, Alice, no, don't.
Jenny's like, you're gonna have the grocery delivery
What if they
person.
choose the wrong?
What if they? And I'm like, okay, if they pick a really ugly pumpkin, then it'll fit right in with yours. Then it'll be fine. It'll be great for the video.
Alice, there's
like,
nothing
no big
ugly
deal.
about this. This is a gorgeous thing.
You're just not gonna be able to turn that into a jack-o'-lantern.
You watch. You watch us. You watch us.
Long story short, God,
Look, here's his butt crack.
I just realized something needs to be right there.
Look at his little butt crack.
Why did you make me look at that? Ooh, okay. That's cute, right? Is that cute?
Oh, that's way cuter because now we can see our horns.
Yeah, okay. So just in case. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice and Jenny. Welcome back to the
Alice and Jenny show.
What up? Hey
yo, Zachy. Let's turn this shit up. Sorry.
How is it that you
His name
can't
is
control
Zachy.
the volume of your voice?
Oh, it might be because of the wine and the... Stop insulting my child.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna have a pumpkin carving contest. This is a contest, people.
It's not a timed contest.
Oh, it's not timed. No, it's not a race. This isn't a pumpkin carving race.
I didn't know that it would be a contest. I just thought we were gonna...
Oh, no. We're going up against each other. We're going up against each other, and the stakes are very high.
Who's the judge?
The audience. The judge is the viewers.
Well, I can tell you right...
I have invested hundreds of thousands of my own money into a system that will calculate the comments and decide who is the winner. Approximately 48 hours after this video
I've invested nothing,
posts.
And I'm here for the booze.
Okay, you need to be careful. Dude, I feel super not good about all of my beauty and makeup shit. You guys, liquids and skincare and brushes. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. I regret this. I already regret this so much. Why is it... No.
Well, she's
Okay.
bobbling around.
First of all, I have the bigger pumpkin, so I deserve the bigger
I know,
saw.
but mine's rocking around. The Christmas.
Oh, that's way harder, though. I've tried every single one, and I hate all of them.
God, this thing just keeps...
Okay, no. You cannot
Sorry.
do that. The amount of equipment that is in this room.
Jesus, help me out of carve.
Why did my damn Instacart person get such a big fucking pumpkin?
That's a beautiful pumpkin.
I need I can't. I'm not in my prime anymore. I can't.
Oh shit! No, this is how you puncture your hand.
I'm fucking this guy up right now. Oh shit, bitch! Get ready to meet your maker. Damn it!
Bam!
She beat me. Okay, well, you know what? All that matters is that we both got him. We got him. We got him. Okay. This is the one of the worst ideas ever to be doing this in here.
Oh wow, he has like a real knife though, Alex.
He doesn't have a lot in him.
Do you have like a real knife? Because I need like a real knife.
Wow. Look at that.
Would you? Well, he still smells like a pumpkin. God.
We have a trash can over here.
No, it's actually just like a soup bowl. We're gonna be eating this later.
Waste not, want not. I really want to get my fingernails in there though. That's that's how you fucking carve.
Can we take these off?
Yeah, I feel like we have to.
These are so gorgeous.
You can save them. You know you can put them.
No, Alice. I mean that one is literally gone. Okay.
It's just over here on the floor.
Okay, so
Right
this
here,
is happening. It's happening. Alice, I told you this is just a straight up pumpkin. He's good. He's good to go.
Wait, let me smell him. Oh, that doesn't smell good at all. He smells rotten, dude. Smell that.
It smells the same.
No? No. This
Okay,
smells
well that
like,
doesn't.
This is fresh pumpkin. That smells like rotten garbage. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the before. Before. Hey, wait. Let's do the thumbnail. Point your pumpkin at the thing. I mean, your imitation pumpkin.
Can I go like this? And you put the little pumpkin right there, and it's like, ooh. And like that. Yeah.
I hate this. I hate this so much. Alright, motherfucker, get ready to get carved.
I really need to scratch my face, but look at my...
Okay, where are you itching? Oh, I still have a nail on.
Oh my god. Okay, right here. There you go. This is what scissors are for.
Yep. Jenny!
What?
There's squash on my mirror. You were cleaning so much when you're done, Missy. Oh, that feels great. Shit. It's worth it. Oh wait, ASMR. ASMR pumpkin carving. Shh, shh, shh.
You know what that sounds like?
Mac and cheese.
Blue box mac and cheese.
Sounds like mac and cheese, bitch. I'm enjoying myself. Are you enjoying it? I didn't know how much of a therapeutic experience this would be. Jenny, I think I just found a paper cut.
Pumpkin is not moisturizing. It's very drying.
There's some in your hair. All over the floor. Alright, so now begins the carving contest. And as I said, we're battling to the death. Yours could fit in mine, dude.
Oh, it's like a snowman.
I want to try to do this. You hear this cat thing? So I'm supposed to tape this. Tape? Who has tape?
Okay, do you have a liquid eyeliner pen?
Wait, they want me to cut this out? You know what? I can't do the cat thing. I can't.
I'll give you $30 if you eat this.
No.
My arm hurts.
I thought I hit repeat, you Alright guys, so the pumpkin carving has commenced. Can we zoom in a little bit here?
Okay, restart that.
Now we are ready for the big reveal. We're gonna turn the lights off. Drum roll, please. Make sure to leave comments below on which one you like the most, and just remember whose channel you're watching.
1, 2, 3.
Ta-da! If you're thinking classic pumpkin with a little bit of a twist, because I did these like kind of jail bar teeth instead of like pointy teeth. I mean, this is innovative, but an homage to the classics. We have to redo it.
We have to redo it.
I'll just edit that out, Jenny.
We like 100% have to
Jenny,
redo that. I can't, Alice.
Jenny,
Alice, I can't and I won't.
Jenny's is pretty cute. Pop his little head on. Oh. Yeah, dude, he's sucking all the oxygen out of there. My pumpkin is thriving. He's living his best life.
Turn that off. Turn this shit off. Excuse my language.
Who wins? Ooh.
You can go and suck a butt.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Wait, seriously? Why isn't mine? Why isn't mine?
Anyway, so pretty sure I win.
Okay, let's restart it.
He's thriving.
Oh no, he's getting it.
So he needs to be angled back though. Oh no. He's what's happening? What's happening, bro? You know what? I'm gonna name him Mick. After Mick from Slipknot. That's what he looks like, right? That concludes this video. You guys leave us comments. Let us know who won and who lost. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Because he's like, okay, bye-bye.
I have pumpkin on my hands.